Unlocking the convenience, the surprising benefits of canned foods. Welcome to our journey through the world of convenience and nutrition. Canned foods aren't just pantry staples, they're lifestyle enhancers. Firstly, canned foods offer unmatched convenience. Imagine whipping up dinner in minutes, thanks to the pre-cooked nature of these treasures. Not only do they save time, but they also help reduce food waste. With longer shelf lives, you enjoy your favorites anytime. Think canned foods lack nutrition? Think again. Many retain more vitamins and minerals due to the canning process locking in goodness. From peaches to peas, the variety is astounding. Dietary diversity is at your fingertips, making balanced meals effortlessly achievable. Cost efficiency is another highlight. Canned foods often present a more affordable option compared to fresh, with the same nutritional value. So, next time you're stocking up, remember the benefits of canned foods. They're not just convenient, they're a smart, nutritious choice for everyone.